Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new topic like from similar triangle itself, criteria for similarity of triangles. Okay, in previous video we have completed Thales theorem and exercise based on Thales theorem. Now it's the second theorem, AA similarity criteria. So in this we are going to learn theorem first, then we will see the exercise. So theorem statement, here we can see that in the examination paper you will get two types of statement here. Two same meaning will be the same, wordings they have given the difference. So if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. In one paper they have given this statement, and in another paper it is given that if two triangles are equiangular, the meaning is exactly same. Corresponding angles are equal and equiangular is exactly same, then their corresponding sides are in proportional. Both sentence meaning is exactly same, so you should understand well the sentence. Okay, so based on this statement, what we have to do is we have to draw two triangles. Okay, let me draw two triangles. It is given if in two similar triangle, we are learning about similarity, right? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, they have told. So let me write corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D. Okay, angle B is equal to angle E, and automatically angle C will be equal to angle F. This is about the statement, what they have told. Okay, let us write given part, given, which is very important now. In triangle ABC and DEF, we can see here there are two triangles. Okay. Let me write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. We can see here there are two triangles ABC, DEF. So what is equal? BAC is equal to angle BAC. A will be the middle exact angle. BAC equals to EDF. Next, ABC is equals to DEF. ABC is equals to DEF. This is given. And ACB is equals to DFE. ACB is equals to DFE. It means that angle A is equal to angle B, angle D, angle B, angle E, and angle C, angle F. Okay, this is given. What they have told us to prove. To prove, that is very important. They have told us, I'll just highlight with different color. This is given. Now what they have to prove. Step by step, they'll give marks in theorem. To prove their corresponding sides are proportional in the same ratio. Corresponding side. Let me write AB by DE is equal to BC by EF and AC by DF. This is we have to prove. Okay, now to prove, let us draw a small construction. To prove this theorem, we need to draw a small construction, like in the figure we have to do some changes. Mark point X and Y, X on AB, Y on AC, and join XY. You have to write mark points X and Y on AB and AC such that AX will be equal to AX. This length should be equal to DE, and AY is equal to DF. Then automatically XY will be equal to EF. Okay, I'll not mention this, they have told. join xy. This is about construction part. Now the very important part we are learning now, proof. Proof. I'll just highlight here proof. Okay. Now we have drawn a small triangle by construction. Let us consider this upper triangle and this triangle. In triangle AXY and triangle DEF, what all the things are equal? AX equals to DE. Just now we have done construction. AY is equals to DF. This is by construction. You can see here only it is. I'll highlight so that you should not get confused. Okay. Now two sides we got equal. Now in this we can see angle A is equal to angle D. So you can write angle A is equal to angle D given. Three things we got. Two sides, one angle. Therefore, triangle AXY is congruent to triangle DEF by SAS congruency. You people have learned in 8th standard congruency of triangle. Now, let us see. We know that if the triangle is congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. All corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. So I'll write AXY is equal to DEF. Any angles are equal by CPCT. So, but AXY is equals to DEF we got by CPCT. But in given they have told, I'll show you one more time. In given, AB is equals to DEF. Angle ABC is equals to DEF. So I'll write angle ABC is equals to DEF. Given. Now we can see these two things are equal. And I have repeatedly told things which are equal to same things are equal to one another. These two is equal. Therefore, these two is equal. That is AXY is equal to ABC by axiom 1. Now we can see in figure AXY is equal to ABC. These are corresponding angles AXY, ABC. We know that if there is corresponding angles, then there are parallel line. Yes, in roughly I'll just show you. We know that these two are parallel lines. Okay, if I draw a transversal, these are the corresponding angles. And unless and when there will be a corresponding angle, when there is a parallel line. So here we got parallel line, that is AXY and ABC we got now. So there will be parallel line, that is XY parallel to BC we got. Now we got XY parallel to BC. So when we have parallel line, then we know that their corresponding sides are in proportion. We should focus on to prove. To prove we can see AB by DE we have, but according to figure what we will get? AB by AX, AC by AY and BC by XY. I will write just AB by AX is equals to BC by XY and AC by AY by converse of BPT. When parallel line is there, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Like by BPT, how we have learned already, if there will be a parallel line, then how we have to write? I have written. But in construction, we will focus again. AX is equals to D. In AX place, I will write DE. And in AY place, I will write DF. And XY place, I will write EF. So, but AB is equals to AX place, what we have to write? DE. And BC as it is. XY place, I will write EF. And AC as it is. AY place I will write DF. Hence, proved the theorem. What we want, that only we got. See here, we can see one more time. AX place we have substituted DE. AY place DF. And automatically XY place EF. Hence proved the theorem. So this was a very important theorem. Like mostly it comes in exam. So now based on this theorem, let us solve exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3 based on these theorems. Okay. So now let me see the first question of this exercise. What they have given, check. You can see here. State whether which pair of triangles in figure 6.3 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question. See, these are the questions they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 questions are there. We have to find whether these triangles are similar or not, and if it is similar, by what it is similar. Like for example, we know that if two angles, corresponding angles are equal, then they are similar. Corresponding sides are in proportion, then they are similar. Let us check one by one. Okay, first one, you can focus on figures. I'll draw just rough figure, small. First one question. They have given here figure A, B, C. Rough figure. Figure always you should use with the pencil. A, B, C. And they have given P, Q, R. Okay. This is 60 degree they have mentioned. This is 80 degree they have mentioned. And this is 40 degree they have mentioned. Next, 60 degree, 80 degree and 40 degree. Okay. So, let us find now. We know that here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P, both are 60 degree. Angle B is equals to angle Q, both are 80 degree. Angle C is equals to angle R, both are 40 degree. We can see here, right? Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity. Their all angles are similar. So, it is similar triangle. Second one, it is completely based on what they have told. It is based on sides. So I will just show you figure here only. Second one, AB. Let me write the given figure. You people see it. Given part I will write. It is okay. Let me hold like this. Figure is second one. Focus here. Okay. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, again PQR only, they have given sides AB 2, BC 2.5, AC 3, and here also they have given sides. If they have given sides, then we should know their corresponding sides should be in proportion. So let me check. PQ by PQ, like this cross line, PQ by AC. PQ by AC. PQ how much? PQ 6 and AC we got 3. We can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. We got 2 answer. Next, PR by BC. You can see PR and BC. This is the base, right? So PR how much? PR is 5 and BC is 2.5. You know that 2.5 ones are 2.5, 2.5 twos are 2. Again next, we can see last side QR by AB. QR value is base 4 and again here base 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again all these sides are equal. Their sides are in equal proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by yes, similarity. Side, similarity. Like that way, you have to do third one, try yourself. Third one, you people should try yourself. Fourth one, let me check how they have given. Okay, question number 4th. Okay. Again, question number 4th. You people can focus on question number 4th. What they have given in triangle, see MNL. In triangle MNL and triangle PQR. Okay, PQR. MNL PQR. Okay, now let us see sides they have given. MN upon PQ. MN how much? 2.5. PQ how much? 5. See, if we can't, here we can't cancel, like it will be like if I remove point, it will be 25 and here 50. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. We got 1 by 2. Okay, MN. Now, next side, let us see this ML upon QR. We can see here ML QR. ML is, you people focused in your textbook. Check how they have given in the textbook. ML is, what they have given, ML 5, and what they have given here 6, 2.5 and 6, I guess 2.5 and 5. L 5 and 10. Okay. So here we got 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, again 1 by 2, and angle 70 is equal to angle 70. Angle 70, that is angle M is equal to, here angle M is equal to angle Q is equals to 70 degree. Therefore, triangle MNL is similar to triangle PQR. Similarly, now fifth one, you can see here fifth one, exactly fifth one question. Here we can see this is the angle, right? Here is the angle, but here angle, here there is a side, and here also there is a exactly side. Included angle it is, and we can see here they have given side 5 and here they have given side 6 centimeter. But here you can see this is the angle. Here they have given side, but here they have not given side. That means these two triangles are not similar. Direct here. Here AC side is not given. Here you should write here side AC is not given. Therefore, directly you are writing triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Direct question. It is not similar only. They have not given. So, last sixth you have to try yourself. This is about the first main. Now, let us see how they have given the second main. I'll explain you about now second main question. Okay, let me see the question what they have given. Let me draw the figure also. You should not get confused. In figure 2.35, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. BOC is 125 degree. CDO is 70 degree. Find DOC, DCO and OAB. Okay, should open your textbook while watching the video. Okay, now let me draw the figure. so that you people can clearly see what is given. Okay, this is the parallel lines they have given. Okay, and now they have given here some AC, and this side they have given B, D and O. They have given this all the things. This is 125 degree they have given. Okay, this O is mentioned this side. Okay, so you can see in the textbook too. So we can see now how to find this problem. Here they have told us to find DOC, but we can see here BOC plus DOC is linear pair. This is the line, straight line, linear pair. So I'll write DOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair, straight line. You people have learned in your previous classes. So when we have linear pair, it is 180 degree, sum of all the angles. Like DOC we don't know, but BOC is 125 is equals to 180 degree. DOC is equals to 180 degree minus 125 degree. If I bring 125 this side, DOC is equals to 55 degree. We got DOC. First answer we got. Now they have told to find DCO. Okay, this they have told us to find. Now we know that BCO, properly see, BOC is equals to, this is exterior angle, outside angle, sum of two interior angle. I'll do BOC is equals to ODC plus or CDO plus DCO. CDO plus DCO. Like exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angle, CDO ODC. Okay, CDO OCD. Now BOC we know that 125 degree. CDO or CDO they have given 70 degree. It is given, I didn't write here. Okay, it is given in the question, 70 degree plus DCO we don't know. 125 degree minus 70 degree is equal to DCO. It is again 55 degree is equals to DCO. Therefore DCO is equals to 55 degree. We got two things. Now last one more we have to find, that is OAB. They have told us to find OAB. Now OCD we got, DCO we got 55. Okay, we know that ODCO, angle DCO is equal to OAB. Why? Because you can see Z shape alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Therefore OAB is also equal to 55 degree. We got three answers also. So we found these are alternate angles. If this is 55, this is also 55. Okay. Now similarly, let us do second one. Third one. Let me show you the question. What they have told. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O using similarity criteria for two triangles. Show that this. Okay, let me write first. They have told trapezium. I'll draw one trapezium so that first we have to draw the figure. A, B, C, D. They have told AB should be parallel to CD and O intersect at diagonal intersect at O. Okay, ABCD is a, let me write now. ABCD is a trapezium. Here given, that is to prove, that is very important, what they have told to prove, AO, that is OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This they have told to prove. Okay, by seeing the figure, let us start proving this. In triangle, I'll take the triangle. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, we can see these two triangle, upper and lower triangle. In triangle AOB and COD, angle AOB is equal to COD. Why? These two are vertically opposite angle. We got two angle equal. Now we can see a Z shape. Good Z shape we can see. This angle will be equal to this angle. So I'll write angle OBA is equals to angle ODC. Alternate angles. We got two angles same. If we get two angles same of two similar triangles, then we can see that therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. If two angles is same of triangle, then we can say they are similar triangle. Therefore by what? AA, two angle similarity. AA similarity. How they are similar? By AA similarity. If two triangles are similar, we know that condition. First we proved they are similar because two angles are equal. When two corresponding angles are equal, then they are similar, right? We got they are similar now. According to definition, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So we will write they are similar. AO by this side upon AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. Hence proved. This only they told to prove. Similarly, what you have to do is fourth one, try yourself. It's very easy. So in my next video, I'll start from fifth problem, which is, so do like and share. Thank you.